Unlike my last several videos, this is not a video about 3D printing. Instead, this is about recording video while riding a motorcycle without a GoPro camera. I've thought about getting a GoPro camera, but I don't know how often I'd really use it. I know a few people who've bought one, and they use it a lot when they first got it, but after a while it spends all of its time on a shelf. Anyway, I did some work on a friend's motorcycle and wanted to take some video while riding it to show him it's fixed. I grabbed an old phone, the one I usually make most of my videos with, and I ran a wire through its case and wore it around my neck. It worked okay when moving slow, but as soon as I got up to speed, it looked and sounded like this. I wasn't ready to give up yet, so to try and improve it, here's what I used. An old HTC Evo phone. It's got two microphones, one here and one here. I've got a wire and some foam pads. I put the foam pads over the microphones to try to cut down wind noise, and I'll use the wire to wrap around and hold the foam on. I don't have a rubber band, or I'd use that. Got an army belt. The nice thing about an army belt, or I guess even a Cub Scout belt, is they are infinitely adjustable, and this one happens to be long enough to go around my chest while I'm wearing my riding jacket. And I've got two strips of Velcro that have the soft on one side and the teeth on the other side. The first step, put the foam over the microphones and tied the wire around it. We'll see if that cuts down wind noise. I'm not sure if it will. I'll take the Velcro. Try not to cover up your camera. I am going to add a piece of duct tape to hold these in place. And make them snug. They don't have to be tight. Alright, now we're going to put it on. We've got the belt through here. You got the Velcro tabs on the top here so you can lift those off. You'll want to get this as high up on your chest as possible. You'll see that I got more of the dashboard of my motorcycle than I did of the road, especially on my motorcycle that has a fairing. With the Velcro like this, you can pick the Velcro up and actually flip the camera down, and now you can turn the camera on. This time you want to pull the Velcro as tight as you can to keep the phone from moving around in the wind. Flapping. Now it's pretty tight against my chest. And here's the result. That was a big improvement. Is it as good as a GoPro? Not really, not even close. Is it good enough for me right now? Yeah. I don't think the foam over the microphones made much of a difference. If I tried it again, I think I'd fold them to get a double thickness. If you're interested in seeing the full video where I compare the riding of two similar motorcycles, the link will be down below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more of what I do. I'll close with a side-by-side comparison of the two videos.